Hello, all my H-minute peeps. We're back with another research update video for you guys, and it's over the pressing topic of the coronavirus. And I've received a lot of questions regarding this, and individuals wanting to know if hydrogen therapy can help with those who have contracted the coronavirus. And we wanted to do an update video for you, kind of addressing those questions. And kind of seeing what there is when it comes to this. There's not a whole lot, but we wanted to update you with our findings. And so, first of all, there was a report that was released recently by the National Health Commission of China. And in this report, it actually states that hydrogen inhalation can be used as a therapy and should be used if possible. The gas mixture was oxyhydrogen, or 66% H2, 33% O2. And like I said, in this report, it's actually mentioned that hydrogen inhalation should be used as a possible therapy for those who have contracted the virus. Now, also, there was recently a video that was published online that features Dr. Zhong. Hopefully, I didn't mess that name up, but he is a medical professional for the National Clinical Research Center for Respiratory Diseases in China. He is renowned for his work in managing the SARS outbreak, as well as he's been appointed to help manage the coronavirus outbreak as well. In 2010, he was actually voted as as one of China's top 10 scientists. And so he's quite renowned for his work. He actually mentions in a video that's published online that hydrogen inhalation can be used as a possible treatment, and that it has supplementary effects. So it doesn't treat the coronavirus directly, but it does look to be ameliorating maybe some of the inflammation that could be caused by the coronavirus in the lungs. And so in this video, Dr. Zhong actually shows a lady who is receiving hydrogen therapy, who actually has contracted the virus. She is describing how she's feeling better in her breathing. And so that's one of the benefits that it does look like it may have, is that it might be helping to alleviate the shortness of breath that some of these people are experiencing. And so, as well as, like I mentioned earlier, it's anti-inflammatory effects in the lungs that could be caused by the coronavirus. So Dr. Zhong actually mentions this in a video that you can actually view. We will have that linked in the description, as well as the report and the quote from the report discussing this. Now, there's not much else to go off on. These are the two sources that we have thus far, and I've actually received these sources from two independent places, and one of my sources actually is directly from China. Other than that, it is great to hear that those who are receiving hydrogen therapy or hydrogen inhalation may be benefiting from it. And what we know thus far is promising. But like I stated earlier, there's not a whole lot to go off on. All this stuff is just so recent, and things will be developing rapidly on it. And so as we know more, we will let you guys know more. But I want to state this clearly and concisely. Hydrogen is not a cure for coronavirus. That's definitely not what this video is about. I'm not stating it's a cure. We're only stating what we have heard thus far regarding the evidence that we have received about hydrogen being used as a possible treatment to help those with the coronavirus in a supportive way. And so, like I said, again, it is not a cure for the coronavirus, but it does look like it may be helpful in the fight to be able to help those recover from it. But that is the research update for you guys. I hope it addresses your questions for those who have asked me. And other than that, deuces.